This is the Health Science Pathway. Freshmen, they go Principles of Health Science, and they learn the history and the hospital and what's in it and who runs it. Then second year, they have terminology, and it's all year, it's a terminology. That gets them prepared for the hospital their junior year and for their clinics their senior year.
You're 18 years old, right? Yes. Right here, it gives you a preview of like her heart rate, and if we see that something's wrong, we can retest. But since everything looks normal with her, we can just click next, and it's gonna start printing.
My favorite part about this is that it's challenging in a way. Well, at least with Ms. Ballo, it's easier because she goes like step by step, and with all the activities we do, and we do hands-on, so it's easier, but in a way it's challenging.
And then we also have EKGs, which are seniors. So they pass their EKG certification, so now each has to do 10 EKGs.
We do get to perform EKGs amongst our classmates.
They can either participate in patient care, pharmacy tech, EMT. They have to be accepted into those programs. They can rotate to actual doctors' offices and work with them.
This class is pretty fun. There's a lot of learning to do, but it is very valuable learning that can be used not only if it were to be for the medical field, but just in general for safety for the public, for example, like any CPR or first aid.